Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how we can develop a simple function in MATLAB. Alright, so in the previous videos we talked about the script files, the M files. Alright, so if you haven't seen that video, please go and see that first. Alright, so now we're going to write our own function, alright, in MATLAB and see how it works. Alright, so I'm going to create a new script here, okay, and I'm going to save it, okay. So I'm going to save it as a simple name, my max. Okay, so I'm just going to be able to print out the maximum value, alright, from a function. Okay, I mean from the input parameters that we provide. Okay, so to write a function in MATLAB, you need to first have the keyword function. Okay, and you can choose to have different types. So I'm going to first put a simple function called my max, alright, and we're going to pass in some parameters. Okay, so I'm going to call it num1 and num2, alright, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do some if else check. If num1 greater than num2, okay, then I'm going to say printf, okay, num1 is bigger, okay, else printf num2 is bigger, and okay, so that's about it. I'm just going to call this function my max and I'm going to pass in two parameters, alright, and what the function is going to do is going to compare and print out whether num1 or num2 is bigger. Okay, so let's save this. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this from the command window. So I'm going to say my max, alright, and I'm going to pass in maybe 5 and 7. Okay, and you can see that it prints out that num2 is bigger, okay, because the number 7 is bigger. Okay, so of course if you want to print out the actual number, you can always put the format specifier, so %d, alright, and then I'm going to put num1. So here again %d, and in this case it is num2. Okay, so let's save it. Okay, and I'm going to run it again. So it says 7 is bigger. Alright, if I change the number here to, let's say, 12, then it says 12 is bigger. Okay, so this is a function, alright, a simple function where the input parameters are provided and the function is called with the input parameters, okay, and then we compute, okay, or execute the function, alright, and we return. Alright, so this is a very basic introduction to the concept of functions in MATLAB. Alright, so in the next video, okay, I'm going to talk about some extension to this, alright, so you have a better idea how we can grow this concept. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.